Ride your bike. Hurry.
Come on, let's go.
I want to see some.
No, people go too fast. We have to take you to a park.
Daredevil.
Watch out.
You want me to teach Adriana later on or something?
Yeah, you probably should. Wimp. 11-year-old wimp.
Look at 3-year-old just passed you.
I don't even know how to use the brakes.
You squeeze them.
Squeeze them.
Look at her. Do it again. Yeehaw. Hey, I'll teach you later on.
How?
I'll teach you. I'll put pillows on you. Go. Watch out, Nana. She's gonna go in super fast.
Whoa, hot rod.
Go, Pinky. She asked if her head is gonna bounce. Okay. 1, 2, get on, 1, 2, 3, go, 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 pedal, pedal, pedal.